Indonesian authorities have already transferred dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Go to the custody of Philippine officials in Jakarta. Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos and PNP Chief General Romel Marbil are in Jakarta to personally fetch Go following her arrest. The Bureau of Immigration says it is now holding Go's Philippine passport. According to the Philippine National Police, Go will be brought to their headquarters in Camp Crame, Quezon City upon her arrival in the Philippines from Indonesia on Thursday evening, September 5. PNP spokesperson Colonel Jean Fajardo said Go will undergo a medical examination at Camp Crame before being turned over to the Senate.
Kausap ko po mismo kanina si SILG at ang ating Chief PNP. Ang plano po ay pag i-turn over na po sa kanila si Alice Go ay dadalhin po dito sa Camp Crame para mag-undergo po ng medical examination para tingnan din po at siguraduhin na sa maayos po siyang kalagayan bago po siya i-turn over po sa Senate.
Asked why Go will be brought to Camp Crame, Fajardo explained it is because the PNP was assigned to serve the arrest warrant against Go.
Ang PNP po ang naatasan na mag-serve po ng warrant of arrest at bit-bit po natin yung warrant of arrest na galing po sa Office of the Sergeant of Arms ng Senate po at yun po yung basihan kung bakit po natin siya i-custody.
Go was arrested in Tangerang City, Jakarta, Indonesia on September 4. The former mayor is facing an arrest warrant from the Senate due to her absence at the July 10 hearing of the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality. Go is also facing charges of qualified human trafficking and money laundering.